on hitting your goals in every area of your business. Remember, the universe rewards the bold. A leader has to take the risk.
So, you said make friends, right? You want to do all that. How do you manage making friends? Like if you're single, for example, you don't have no partner, nothing. How do you manage making friends, but also putting time to your business? You're balancing it out.
Are you single? Do you have friends right now? How do you do that? Same thing I do, right? So, a lot of times how we work is, I know people he doesn't know, you know, and he knows people I don't know. But if you want, just as you as a single guy, do you have single friends? Do you have friends that are couples? Just start meeting friends of them, like friends of your friends. Start getting in contact with them. And then kind of have it in your calendar on days, like for us, we like to do Saturday nights as a designated time where we're going to build friendships with somebody. So if you have it in your calendar, like, I don't know, whatever, Sunday afternoon after you go to church or whatever, that's the time you're going to dedicate, then that's the time you're going to dedicate to meeting with people, to sitting with them, to going to lunch, or like happy hour. We like to do happy hour if the kids are home, or pizza night, or like with your couple, your friends that are couples. A good way that we've seen work is I'll invite maybe 2 or 3 couples at the same time to the house for like game night. Or if you have a bunch of single friends, have, I don't know, poker night, whatever you like to do. You like to cook, barbecue, whatever you like to do. It makes it easy because you're going to be relaxed in that situation. Like we're very competitive, we like to play games, so we're relaxed playing game night, right? It gets a little crazy, fun because we're competitive. So try to find something that you like to do and make that your thing, like whatever it is, but then have it in your calendar, a specific time that you're going to do that every week. You have to be consistent on it, so you're always building new relationships. Does that answer pretty good?
And I always win the game night, just so you guys know. So.